Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer game progress to Steam, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer your game progress to Steam, start by launching the Steam client on your computer. Ensure you are logged into your Steam account. Locate the game you wish to transfer progress for in your library. Right-click on the game title and select Properties from the drop-down menu. In the Properties window, navigate to the Updates tab. Check if the game supports cloud saving. If it does, ensure that the Enable Steam Cloud option is ticked. Close the Properties window. Launch the game to confirm that it syncs with Steam Cloud. Play through to a point where you want to save progress. Save your game to ensure the progress is captured. Exit the game to allow it to upload the saved data to Steam Cloud. Now, log into Steam on the device where you want to access your game progress. Install the game if you have not done so already. Once installed, launch the game on the new device. You should see a prompt indicating that cloud saves are available. Select the option to load from Steam Cloud. Your game progress should now be accessible on this device. If you encounter any issues, double-check your internet connection. Verify that Steam Cloud is enabled on both devices. You can also visit the specific game's community page for additional guidance. Following these steps will ensure your game progress is effectively transferred to Steam. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.